Tsantsabane Fire and Mining, in collaboration with Industrial Fire and Hazard Control, specializes in designing emergency vehicles tailored to meet site-specific needs. Purpose-built for mining and industrial sites, this fire engine is designed for rapid response and precision. Whether for fire response, hazardous material handling, or other emergency needs, these purpose-built vehicles are crafted to enhance your site's safety capabilities and response readiness. Reach out to discuss your site-specific emergency vehicle requirements. The expert team will assess your unique operational needs and recommend tailored solutions to enhance your safety infrastructure and response capabilities.